G'day guys, how's it going? You guys ever been on a dino safari before? Well, sit back and prepare to be totally blown away. Quick, there, you're right. That's a Dinosaur. Oh man, she's got a nest, look, with eggs in it. Whoa! Did you hear that? Crikey! That sounded mighty close. Okay, so I know I may come across as a fearless, intrepid explorer, but deep down, I'm a safety man. So please remain seated, get your arms and legs in the car at all times. You're talking about safety. Here's my aeroplane. Good job I had my belt on. It was a bit of a bumpy landing. If you're quick, look to the right over the pond. Can you see it? That's a baryonyx, and it's just caught a fish. Check out the magical waterfall ahead. It is said that this spring has been running now since the Cretaceous period. That's about 100 million years ago in old money. This fine-looking dino is an iguanodon. Hello. Give it to Mummy. That's our security guy. He takes pics of everyone and plants them on the wall in Outpost 12 for all to see. Now this is a very special place, as a couple of raptors have decided to nest in this old disused tunnel. Look to the left in that recess. There's an egg. Oh. Wow, look ahead guys, that baby raptor's just hatching. This is incredible, a rare treat for all of us. Oh, cute little fella, isn't he? Check him out. Whoa, wasn't expecting that. Best get out of here. Ahead is an Albertosaurus. He originally lived in Canada over 70 million years ago. You'll note he's got a head full of sharp teeth, so probably resides near the top of the food chain. Now these fellas to the left are ornitholestes, or they're bird eaters. But these two look like they've had a bit of a fallout. So in the interest of my safety, and yours of course as well, I'm going to head us out of here pronto. Well, enjoy the rest of your day, folks.